Hi everyone, now I'm gonna talk about today's assignment. The first step is to import some necessary file in order to build the social network. And then I use the scraping to scrap the data from Twitter. And here I use the Twitter API to complete this task. Here is the Twitter API credentials, and then I use this code to search for Robert Downey Jr. And this is the data. This is the Twitter I find, and I put the data to df. The next is to define the functions I need for the social network I build. The first is the code is like this one. And then is to build the network. Here I use the most common 100 usernames. And this one is to plot the 100 most common mentions in this dataset. Here is how it looks. And then is to create a network graph for the most common participant in this dataset. And here is the graph. In this graph, the right line represents the edge, and the blue dots means nodes in this graph. And the label is just the username of Twitter. Second is to creating a network graph for most active Twitters. Here I subject the most common as 20. And then is generate the graph structure. And then is to add attributes to nodes. And last, this is how the most active Twitters plot. The next is to test for interactivity with plotting. I use these functions called polls and creating the trees of ages. Iterate all edges and get their node positions and add them to the age trees. Next one is to generate the plot, but the plot here, the plot cannot show here because it's already saved as the network X. The last one is to print the time interval between the dataset. It is from October 29th to November the 7th. That's all. Thank you.